Dear children, happy day to all. Let us continue the class. Today children, before we continue the class, let us recall what we seen in the last class. So in last class, we seen expanded form, short form, predecessor, successor, comparison of numbers, ascending and descending order. So in today's session, we are going to see how to form a greatest and smallest number, that is number formation. Here I have written 5 set of 1 digit number, that is 4, 8, 7, 6, 5. Now using this number we are going to form a greatest 5 digit number and smallest 5 digit number. Here in 5 set of number, your greatest number is 8. So first we have to write the greater number 8. Next number is 7. Next is 6. Next number is 5. Next number is 4. Now you should not place comma after single digit number. If you place comma like this, it will be understood that it is an 1 digit number. We are going to form a greatest 5 digit number. So we have to place comma according to the periods. If you place comma after one number, it will be wrong. So you have to place comma according to the periods, that is ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1000, 10,000. So 87,654. It is a greatest 5 digit number. Now I am going to form a smallest 5 digit number. So smallest 5 digit number starts from the smaller number. Here the smaller number is 4. Next 5, next 6, next is 7, next is 8. That is, we have to write in the reverse order. We are using ascending order here. So I'll read the number here. 45,678. So the greatest 5 digit number is 87,654. Smallest 5 digit number is 45,678. Here I am going to give you another example using 0. Here I have written 6 set of numbers, that is 1 digit number. Now I am going to form a greatest 6 digit number and smallest 6 digit number. First I am going to write greatest 6 digit number. Greatest 6 digit number. Here 6 digit number starts from 7, 6, 4, 3, 1, 0. So it is a 6 digit number. So we should not forget to place commas. So you have to place comma according to the periods. Again I will say you, please don't place comma after each number. If you place comma, it is considered as one digit number. So we are forming 6-digit number. We have to place comma according to the periods. So 7,64,310. Now let us form a smallest 6-digit number. So we are going to form a smallest 6-digit number. So what is the smallest number here? 0. 0 is the smallest number. Can we start from 0? It's wrong. We should not start from 0. So 0, if you write 0 at the first place, it does not have any value. So what is the next smallest number to 0? 1. So 1 is the smallest number. Always you have to place the 0 in the second place. 1, 0, 3, 4, 6, 7. So you should not write 0 in the first place. Always we have to write the 0 in the second place. So 1,03,467 is the smallest 6-digit number. Now I will say you how to form a smallest and greatest 5-digit number using 4-digit number. Here is an example for you. Here I have written 4 set of numbers, that is 1-digit number, 1, 3, 4, 5. So using this number, 4 number, I am going to form a greatest 5-digit number and smallest 5-digit number. You may ask, there is only 4-digit number. How can we form a 5-digit number? You can repeat the number. For greatest number, you can repeat the greater number 2 times. For smaller number, we can repeat the smaller number 2 times. That is repetition of number. Greatest 5-digit here, which number is big? 5. So we are going to form a 5-digit number. So I told you, you can repeat the greatest number 2 times. So 5, again 5, 4, 3, 1. So 55,431 is the greatest 5-digit number. Next, smallest 5-digit number. So what is the smallest number here? 1. So 1 is the smallest number, so starts from 1. So 1 can be repeated 2 times. So 1, 1, 3, 4, 5. So 11,345 is the smallest 5-digit number. I am going to give you another example using 0. Here there is another example for you. I have written 4 set of numbers, that is 5, 6, 4, 0. Let us form a greatest 5-digit number. What is the greatest number here? 6. So 6 can be repeated 2 times. Again 6. Next number is 5. Next number is 4. Next number is 0. So it is 66,540 is the greatest 5-digit number. Now let me see the smallest 5-digit number. The smallest number starts from the smaller number. So what is the smallest number here? 0. I have already told that 0 should not come at the first place. Always 0 should come at the second place. So what is the next smallest number? 4 is the next smallest number. Here, next I already told that 0 should come at the second place. Here you can repeat the 0 2 times. So 0 is the smallest number. Here you can repeat the number 2 times. 0, 5, 6. So 40,056 is the smallest 5-digit number. Children, I hope you all understood how to form a greatest 5-digit number and smallest 5-digit number. The same method can be followed for 7-digit number, 6-digit number. I hope you all understood. Now I am going to teach what is rounding of numbers. So rounded number is nothing but approximate value. I am going to teach how to round the number nearest to 10. So we are going to see how to round the number to the nearest 10. There are 2 ways. I will teach you how to round the number in 2 ways. First, I will show you how to round the number using number line. Here I have written 56. 56 comes between 50 and 60. So number line starts from 50 and ends at 60. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So here I have taken 56. See, where is the 56 here? The 56 comes here. So 56 is nearer to 60. So the rounded value of 56 is 60. So rounded value of 56 is 60. I will show you another example for you. So 32 comes between 30 and 40. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Here I have taken number 32. let me see where is 32 here. So 32 is nearer to 30. So the rounded value of 32 is 30. So we have to see nearer to which number. According to that, we have to take. So the rounded value of 32 is 30. Now I am going to show you another example to the round off to the nearest 10. 55. 55 lies between 50 and 60. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. See where 55 lies. 55 lies in the middle of a number line. So here is a 55. 55 is in the middle, so it goes to the next tens place. So the rounded value of 55 is 60. Now I am going to teach you another method how to find the round off to the nearest 10. Here is an example. Here I have taken number 58. So round up to the nearest 10, we have to focus to the ones place. In ones place there is 8. So 8 is greater than 5. So the number greater than 5, you have to add 1 to the tens place. So the rounded number of 58 is 5 plus 1, 6. You should not write this 8. You have to write 0. So the rounded value of 58 is 60. I will show you another example. Here I have taken number 43. I already told that to round off to the nearest 10, we have to focus to the ones place. In ones place there is 3. 3 is lesser than 5. So you should not add 1 to the tens place. So the rounded number of 43 will be 40. So the ones place, if it is greater than 5, you have to add 1 to the tens place. If the ones place is lesser than 5, no need of adding 1 to the tens place. I hope you all understood how to form the round off to the nearest 10. Now I am going to teach how to form the round off to the nearest 100. Now I am going to teach round the number nearest to 100. Here is an example for you. Here I have taken 3-digit number 534. So 534 lies between 500 to 600. 500, 510, 520, 530, 540, 550, 560, 570, 580, 590, 600. 534 lies between 500 to 600. We are going to round the number nearest to the 100. We have to focus to the tens place. So, where 534 comes here? Lies between 530 to 540. Here, there is 534. So, 534 is nearest to 500. So, the rounded value of 534 is 500. I will show you another example for you. $688 lies between 600 to 700. 600, 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 660, 670, 680, 690, 700. So, where 608 will lies here? Lies between 680 to 690. So, 688 is nearer to 700. So, rounded value of 688 is 700. Now, I am going to teach you another method how to round off to the nearest 100. Here is an example. Here, I have taken 548. To the round off to the nearest 10, we have to focus to the tens place. Here, the tens place, there is 4. So, the 4 is less than 5. So, you should not add 1 to the hundreds place. So, the rounded value of 548 is 500. So, the rounded value of 548 is 500. I will show you another example. Here, I have taken 693. So, look at the tens place. In tens place, there is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So, I have already told you if it is greater than 5, you have to add 1 to the next number. So, that is plus 1. So, the rounded number of 693 is 700. You should not write this 2 number. Instead of writing that number, you have to write 0. I will show you another example. Here, I have taken 454. So, in tens place, there is 5. I already told that if it is number more than 5, 5 or more than 5, we have to add 1 to the next number. So, 4 plus 1. Rounded number of 454 is 500. I hope you all understood how to round off to the nearest 100. Let us see how to round the number to the nearest 1000. Here is an example for you. I have written 5483. So, 5483 lies between 5000 to 6000. Here's a number line. 5,000, 5,100, 5,200, 5,300, 5,400, 5,500, 5,600, 5,700, 5,800, 5,900, 6,000. Let me see where 5,483 lies. So 5,483 lies between 5,400 to 5,500. So 5,483 lies between 5,400 to 5,500. This number is nearer to the 5,000. So the rounded value of 5,483 is 5,000. I will show you another example. I have taken 6,922. So 6,922 lies between 6,000 to 7,000. 6,000, I already told that when round up to the nearest 1,000, you have to focus to the hundreds place. So 6,000, 6,100, 6,200, 6,300, 6,400, 6,500, 6,600, 6,700, 6,800, 6,900, 7,000. So 6,922 lies between 6,900 to 7,000. So it is nearer to the 7,000. So the rounded value of 6,922 is 7,000. Let us see the round off to the nearest 1,000 in another way. Here I have taken 7,423. I have already told that round up to the nearest 1,000, we have to focus to the hundreds place. In hundreds place, there is 4. So 4 is less than 5. So you should not add 1 to the next number. Rounded number of 7,423 is 7,000. I will show you another example. Here I have taken 9,943. So in hundreds place there is 9. So 9 is greater than 5. So I have to add 1 to the next number. Rounded number of 9,943 is 10,000. Why? Because 9 plus 1 is 10. Remaining number should be 0. So the rounded value of 9,943 is 10,000. I will show you another example. Here I have taken 5,543. In hundreds place there is 5. So I have already told that the number 5 or greater than 5 is there, you have to add 1 to the thousands place. So 5 plus 1 is 6,000. So the rounded number of 5,543 is 6,000. Our chapter has been completed. Children, let us recall what we have seen so long. So what we have seen: Indian system, international system, place value, face value, words, numerals, expanded form, short form, predecessor, successor, ascending and descending order, number formation, rounded number. I hope you all understood what we have seen so long. Today I am going to give you an assignment. Children, take 2-digit number, 3-digit number and 4-digit number. You draw a number line for 2-digit number, 3-digit number and 4-digit number and write the rounded value for the number what you have taken. Take a snap and send it to the school WhatsApp group. Thank you, children.